Christmas is just around the corner. Alam ko guys, excited na kayo. Ma-open ang mga gift na binigay sa inyo ng iyong kapamilya, mga kabarangay, mga minamahal sa buhay. And ako personally, I also got something here from Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun. And I'm really excited. Kung ano nga ba itong pinadala na sa akin for this year, 2022 na Christmas. And medyo magaan siya. So definitely, it's not a smartphone. Maybe something that I don't expect. Buksan natin. And hi guys, ako po si Richmond, Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. And today, natanggap na natin to, a gift from Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun. And it's gift wrapped with so many Xiaomi logo surrounding this package. And I'm excited. Ano nga ba to? Gusto ko natin buksan, no? Ano nga bang surprise ang binigay sa atin this year? So, nakialaman, no? Pakita ko sa inyo. Uy! It's the all-new Xiaomi Smart Band 7. And this is a world's #1 wearable na gusto natin i-try dito sa ating wrist, no? And it's so happy charge ko aking Xiaomi Watch S1. So it's perfectly timing na pwede natin try si Xiaomi Band 7. And there's another one inside. Eto, mukhang okay to. Redmi Buds 4 Pro. This is the latest na meron ni Xiaomi sa kanilang mga buds na series. No? This is the Pro variant ni Redmi Buds 4 Pro. Ito-try natin to. Check natin kanilang active noise cancelling, kung how good it is, ang kanilang transparency mode. We'll try it outdoors para makita natin how good ito pang music tripping, for playing games, and a lot more. Watching movies, and name it. Kayang-kaya siguro na ito. Tara, subukan natin. So since we're outdoors right now I'm going to show you some of the different functions that you can do outdoors for maintaining your health and of course your wellness using the Xiaomi Smart Band 7. Let's go. Now right now I'm going to tell you how to wear this Xiaomi Smart Band 7 properly on your wrist. All you need to do is just simply slap it onto your wrist. Then of course insert to this hole, pull it, and check which part is snug fit to you. This one's for me just right enough, probably 2 fingers below my wrist. So that's probably the best way to wear your Smart Band 7. So right now for demonstration purpose, let me show you some of the function that you have here on this band. So we'll be taking this for a quick exercise tour. So swipe it up. The display is like this because of the anti-banding, but no worries, there's no problem on my screen. So swipe it up. Click this one, workout. So there's a lot of things you can do here to like treadmill and outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, you can walking, indoor walking, you have swimming, rowing, elliptical, jump rope, yoga, dance, freestyle. This is what I use a lot. And of course, doing weights, soccer, badminton, and all kinds of workouts. There's a lot. You can quickly explore it on your own. So right now, we'll just do a quick one. Let's say, for example, freestyle. Okay. So freestyle, you can use this for jumping jacks and stuff like that, push up and other stuff. So let's try. So right now I have set it to freestyle. Pressing go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. So let's just quickly do some jumping jacks. You can use it for this function, or you can use it for just simply doing some push-ups. Or you can do it for some steady jogging. And a lot more. Okay, so for me to end this exercise, just hold the end button and it will end the workout for you. Then it will save. Simple. You can see all of the stats here. So freestyle workout, 41 seconds, 5 calories. Average max heart rate is 143 and minimum is 129. So right now guys, when you're resting at home, I want to show you some of the different functions from this Xiaomi Smart Band 7 that you can use to monitor your health stats like heart rate, your blood oxygen level, and some more. So let me show you. Now, let me show you some of the functions that you can use to monitor your health. So, first is, of course, the heart rate. So, you can see here on this stats if you are within striking range. So, normal resting heart rate is around 60 to 80. So, right now, I just measured this after cooling down from my quick exercise. So, PI is another one you can earn, but this one you need to use this for at least a week before you can see some results. Blood oxygen level, this one is of course used to see if you have enough oxygen inside your blood, and this one is pretty popular these days, especially during this pandemic, to monitor your blood oxygen. Instead of using an oximeter, this one is pretty much easier to see, easier to use, and you can check this real time. So if your blood oxygen level fall below 85, do consult your doctor. Now, stress monitoring is another one to see if you're working too much or you're, well, just too much on a rested mode. Sleep monitoring, this one I like. I always check this one to make sure that at least I get 8 hours of sleep, or at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep every single night. Do check yours too. Now currently I'm using the Redmi Buds 4 Pro, and it's quite tiny. You can see it's just within the grasp of my palms, so it's pretty small. This one, it comes in two color. I either have the black or the white color. I have the white now, and it's a little like a pebble. And underneath you can see the Type-C charging port, and of course the pairing button. Opening it, you can see it's something looking like this, and when I pull it out, it's pretty surprising. It's not big and it's quite small. So you can see that it has a striking nice color, and it's blended between white and silver, and it has two-tone of silver as well. Now for me, this design is pretty nice and it's pretty snug fit inside my ears. And what I like is its triple color combination here. So you have the white, the flat silver, and the shiny silver here, which really makes it attractive for me. You have some microphones out here to cancel, using it for noise canceling. This one is of course your earpiece, and this one is of course your charging terminals and your mouthpiece. And I know that pretty much this one is a very small design, so when I put it in my ears, I can say that it's pretty light. So right now, let me put it inside my ears. It will look something like this. The moment I put it inside my ears, it will of course notify that it's already in my ears. Okay, so now in order to activate the noise cancelling mode, hold this for roughly 3 seconds. You'll hear a beep. Okay, for in order to turn off the noise cancelling, just hold it. So simple. And of course, I've used this for gaming, for listening to Spotify, or for watching videos on YouTube. It's pretty nice. It sounds good. And this one lasts me for around 16 hours of usage on one full charge, including, of course, the case itself. Overall, I can say that using this also for exercise, the Redmi Buds 4 Pro, it's really nice, very light. I'm not afraid that this one gets wet because of its IP rating. This one can withstand any kind of weather condition. I don't think it's too much of a problem using it for exercising, cycling, or other, of course, fitness stuff except swimming. So guys, having the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 and the Redmi Buds 4 Pro together during this Christmas season is probably one of the perfect gifts that you can have for yourself, giving it to your loved ones or your family and friends. I can say that this one is pretty useful. This one giving you the total entertainment package where you can go and you can use it for gaming, for watching videos, or just listening to music. This one can keep track of your health. You can even control your music without having your phone. Just simply press here on your Smart Band 7 and you can switch between music. You don't even have to have your headphones. So guys, basically na-try na natin ang Xiaomi Smart Band 7 and si Redmi Buds 4 Pro. I know that these two items are really great gift for this Christmas. Si Smart Band 7 giving you probably yung reminder to take care of yourself heading towards 2023. And si Buds 4 Pro would definitely give you that entertainment na hinahanap mo when you're doing your exercise, playing games, or just simply listening to music for next year. And kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan mo pwede mabili itong mga items na ito, I'll be posting the links on the description box below. Just check it out. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. So ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?